Doop and Co.
Alright everyone, welcome to the annual Dumbass Awards. Tonight, we will be announcing the final winner for Most Dumbass this year.
Come on, say it.
And the winner is... Johnny O'Hare! What the fuck?! Let's fucking go! It's an honor. The competition was tough this year, but it's a nice ego boost meaning I came out on top. I'd like to thank my bald little boss, Principal Shinonome, for helping me reach my full potential. Congratulations, Mr. O'Hare. Wait, what did you call me again?